Hello, my friends. I'm Zain. Today, I'm giving you a simple 6-month plan. After 6 months, you will speak English confidently. I promise. No expensive classes, no going to another country, just simple steps that actually work. Listen, right now, you can't speak English without thinking. You translate every word in your mind first, right? But imagine this. 6 months from now, English words just come out naturally. No thinking, no stress, just speaking, like you speak your own language. I'm going to show you exactly how, step by step, day by day. Stay with me. First, let me tell you the biggest mistake everyone makes. People think, I need to learn more grammar. I need to memorize more words. Wrong. The real secret? You need to think in English, not translate. Let me explain. Right now, when you want to say something in English, what happens? You think in your language first, then you translate to English, then you speak. That's why you're slow. That's why you feel nervous. We're going to change this. Here's what you do in week 1 and week 2. First, stop being perfect. You will make mistakes. That's okay. Native English speakers make mistakes too. Don't be afraid. Making mistakes means you're learning. Second, learn the most common words first. You don't need to know 10,000 words. Just learn the 1,000 most common English words. These words are used in 80% of all conversations. Focus here first. Third, change your phone to English. Change your Facebook to English. Watch videos in English. Listen to English songs. Make English everywhere in your life. You don't need to go to America or England. You can create English around you right now. This mindset change is very important. Without this, the rest won't work. Months 1 and 2. Okay, month 1 and month 2 are for building basics. Think of it like building a house. First, you need a strong foundation. What you will do. Step 1, listen and read every day. Very important. Listen to easy English for 30 minutes every day. Don't miss even one day. Where to listen? YouTube videos for English learners, English cartoons or simple shows, English podcasts for beginners. Watch shows like Friends or Peppa Pig. Yes, children's shows are great for beginners. Use subtitles first. Watch the same episode many times. First time, subtitles in your language. Second time, English subtitles. Third time, no subtitles. Step 2, learn words the smart way. Don't just learn word lists. That's boring and you'll forget. Instead, learn words in sentences. For example, don't just learn happy. Learn, I am happy today. She looks happy. That news made me happy. Use apps like Duolingo or Anki, but make your own example sentences. Step 3, talk to yourself. Yes, really. Even if you're alone, speak in English. Say what you're doing. I am drinking water. I am feeling tired. I need to call my friend. This feels strange, but it works. Your brain starts thinking in English. Step 4, learn basic grammar only. Don't study all grammar rules. Too much grammar makes you confused. Just learn these. Present tense, I eat, I am eating. Past tense, I ate, I was eating. Future, I will eat, I am going to eat. That's enough for now. By end of month 2, you can understand simple English. You can make simple sentences. You feel a little confident. Now the real work begins. Months 3 and 4 are for using your English, not just learning, using. What you will do. Step 1, speak with real people. Must do. Find a partner. Someone who also wants to learn English. Talk with them 3 times every week for 15 to 20 minutes. Where to find partners? Apps like HelloTalk, or tandem, Facebook groups for English learners, language exchange websites. Yes, you will feel shy. Yes, you will make mistakes. Do it anyway. This is the most important step. Step 2, copy native speakers. This is called shadowing. It's very powerful. Find a short video, 1 to 2 minutes, listen to one sentence, pause, repeat exactly what they said. Copy their voice, their speed, their emotion. Do this 15 minutes every day. This trains your mouth and ears to work together. Step 3, record yourself. I know you don't like your voice. Nobody does. But record yourself talking about simple topics. What did you do today? What's your favorite food? Tell a story from your childhood. Record for 2 minutes, listen back. Where did you stop? Where did you make mistakes? Write it down. Practice again. Step 4, stop translating. This is hard but very important. When you want to say something, think directly in English. Don't translate from your language. If you don't know a word, describe it in simple English. For example, you forgot the word refrigerator. Don't stop and translate. Just say, the box where we keep food cold. This is how you start thinking in English. Step 5, learn common phrases. Now, learn phrases that English speakers actually use. Instead of very good, say, that's great. Instead of I think, say, I believe, or in my opinion. Learn phrases like, by the way, to be honest, actually, I mean. These make you sound natural. By end of month 4, you can have real conversations. You still make mistakes, but you don't stop. You keep talking. Last 2 months. Now you're making it smooth and confident. What you will do, step 1, talk about difficult topics. Don't just talk about weather and food anymore. Talk about your dreams and goals, problems in the world, movies and books, your opinions on different topics. Join online discussion groups. Find English-speaking clubs. Step 2. Work on pronunciation. You don't need perfect American or British accent. You just need to be clear. Practice difficult sounds. Record yourself. Compare with native speakers. Use apps like Elsa Speak or just YouTube pronunciation videos. Step 3. Watch and listen without help. Remove the subtitles now. Watch English movies without any subtitles. Listen to English podcasts at normal speed. Read English books or articles. Don't translate every word. Just understand the main idea. Step 4. Challenge yourself. Make yourself do hard things. Make a 5-minute video talking about something you love. Tell a long story to your language partner. Explain something complicated in English. Teach something to someone in English. The more you challenge yourself, the more confident you become. Step 5. Live in English. By now, English should be normal for you. Think in English. When you're angry, be angry in English. When you're happy, be happy in English. Make it part of your life, not something you study. By end of month 6, you speak English confidently. You're not perfect, nobody is, but you can express your ideas. You can have conversations. You are fluent. Remember, fluency is not about being perfect. It's about being confident. It's about communicating. And you can do this. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. I make videos to help you learn English better. Write in the comments, where are you right now in your English learning? Month 1? Month 3? Already fluent? I read every comment. Let's learn together. See you in the next video.